Hello again. Today we are doing another taste test. This is something different from what we've done in the past. This is Lay's new 3 cheese layers flavored chips. They're bite-sized layers, crispy layers, and tasty. Let's open this up. That's what they look like. Tastes more of a cheddar than a 3 cheese. But they are good. Serving size is about 22 pieces, 5 servings per container. 10 grams of total fat and 150 calories. It is a good one, good snack. So if you see it in the stores, it's Lay's Layers 3 cheese, and they had sour cream and chive also in the store. Till next time, this is Life with Mountain Folk. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel if you enjoy these videos. Also check out our other videos. Thank you.